Good afternoon, everyone. We chosen the topic stress detection. We chose this topic because nowadays people are suffering from stress due to many reasons like education, financial, family, and also few personal reasons. Even as the students, we are also experiencing it. So that's why we selected it. Here we gonna find out whether the user is suffering from stress or not by their inputs, and if they're suffering from stress, we gonna find out by asking few queries so that the user can detect it and take necessary precautions and be out of it. So I think this will be helpful for many people, but we also have few drawbacks in this model. That is, the output should be truthful to himself because he wants to find out, so he should give his actual feelings because machine may not give the right prediction if he lies to the machine. And the data set is created totally upon our national language words, natural language words, so no other words should be used. And right prediction is availed only when the user input machine matches to the values in the data set. Now we're gonna take a look through our code. In this code, at first we imported the libraries pandas and numpy, and later from sklearn.feature extraction module we imported count vectorizer. Feature extraction module is used to extract features in a format supported by machine learning algorithm from datasets. And count vectorizer, it converts the multiple text to vector modules. And in the second step, we read the CSV file which is our dataset, and here we converted the column into an array form. Again we assigned as count vectorizer form to a and here we assign count vectorizer function to a variable so that we can use fit transform function which is used on training data so that we can scale the training data and also learn scaling parameters. And here we assign the training data and the testing data. And here we imported decision tree classifier which is used for supervised learning approach. It is used in data mining and machine learning. It is used as a predictive model to draw conclusions and set of observations. So here again this function is assigned to a variable so that now we are fitting the model, that is we are training the model. So here we are training the model to predict the data. At first we are taking an input from the user. Here we are taking input from the user. User is giving sentence or word, so we are converting that into an array, and now we are predicting the data. Since we have in the data set it is labeled as 0 or 1. 0 means no stress, 1 means it's stress. So we kept here a loop so that we can get in a binary form as text format. If we find out the person is having stress, then we're gonna find out their stress level by asking few queries. So these are the main queries because when a person feeling stress, these are the main symptoms that a person are suffering: lonely, disturbed, not sleeping well, feeling anxious for no reason. So these are the main symptoms if to identify if the person is feeling from stress or not. So that we given some values to each answer, and then we are calculating their stress level. Now we're gonna run the code. At first I am happy, so it results no stress and have a good day and thank you. Now we go on the run like I'm worried. So the machine predicted that I have stress, so I'm asking the user whether to ask queries or not to find out their stress level. So are you feeling lonely? I'm giving frequently. Feeling disturbed frequently. Not sleeping well sometimes. Anxious for no reason sometimes. So here we can see the output that I got from a machine, that is I have stress level from 80% to 90%. And we also have another case that if even though if a person is having stress, if the user declines that no queries, then it results have a good day, thank you. This is the ML model we created to find out whether the user is having stress or not, and even if having stress, then we use to find the stress level so that the user can take necessary precautions and be out of it. Thank you.